Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, and today we are showing you the UTV Scissor Jack kit from Tusk. All right, thank you for checking in. So today we are showing you the Tusk UTV Scissor Jack kit. If we were to make a list here at Rocky Mountain, I'm sure most of you out there, if you put down what are your must-have accessories on any side-by-side, chances are a scissor jack or some sort of jack and a spare tire are going to be at the top of your list. So if you don't have one on there already, we highly recommend getting one on there. You've got to have a way to get your machine off the ground if you do have to change out your tire or do some sort of repair on your machine. But what's great about this jack kit is one, it's at a great price point. It's easy to mount up, so it's easy to access when you do need it. Now you can buy the scissor jack by itself, but we do offer it in a kit that will come with a aluminum roll cage clamp that is easy to get to your roll cage, and you can put this honestly anywhere that's going to be best for your machine depending on any other accessories that you might have on there. But it mounts up in just a few minutes, very easy to take off and put back on once you're done using it. It is a 2-ton jack, so it's plenty strong to lift up your bigger machines, and this is adjustable from 3.75 up to 18.25 inches, so a lot of adjustability there. It's powder coated steel. So again, if you don't have a jack on your side-by-side already, highly recommend having one on there. If you're looking for a good, affordable option, this is what you're looking for. If you do have questions or comments, we want to get those answered, so make sure to leave those below. To grab yours today, it's simple. Click on the link or just head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Orders over $75 ship free. And also, if you've never maybe changed a spare tire on the side of the trail before, well, we've got great videos that give you some tips and tricks when you do need to do that. We've got a lot of other great UTV videos and content that you definitely want to check out. So get subscribed, hit that notification bell, and stay up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.